Would your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
Yes.
Would your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Oh, go, Kim!
Tell me now, we'll love you till we're 70. Put your hands up!
Oh! And baby, my heart is
Simple as heart of 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan. Me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. Sabayan niyo kami!
honey now.
Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are.
When my hair's all gone and my memory fades,
Yeah. Yeah.
and the crowds don't remember my name.
Binigla niyo lang siya dito Hindi siya ready.
Don't play the strings the same way.
Pero may backup. Ano nga ba to?
'Cause honey, your soul will never grow.
Old, it's evergreen.
And baby, your smile is forever in
My mind and memories.
I'm thinking about how
People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan.
I'll continue making
Ina! Put your hands up!
mistakes.
Taas mo ang kamay!
Hoping that you understand.
Let's wear it! Yeah!
But baby now, woo,
Take me into your loving arms.
Sabayan niyo si Kim and Sian!
Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. Think it out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are.
Happy Valentine's Day po sa inyong lahat. Pero Kim, di ba merong Tagalog version to?
Hindi
Alam mo-
po siya handa, pero nag-ready po siya ng Tagalog version ng Taking Out.
Try natin yung
Gusto niyo
Tagalog
ba
version nito.
marinig? Nabigla lang po siya sa kantang to.
Oh, mahal ko. Yo! Ikaw lang ang nag-iisa. Sa lahat ng tala, ikaw ay iba.
Wow!
Yakap mo ang hanap sa tuwina. At aking napagtanto na tayo'y pinagtagpo ng panahon. Na tayo'y
Pinagtagpo
ng
panahon.
pinagtagpo ng panahon.
Kiss! Ano?
Ito na, trivia, hindi po siya handaan.
Ayan na!
Hindi niya tinagalog yung Thinking Out
Na
Loud.
tayo'y
Hindi masyado.
pinagtagpo ng panahon.
Chinese naman, Chinese.
Oh, ikaw sa Chinese game.
Chunisang Rokoy. Happy birthday.
Ayan na, okay. So maraming salamat po. And thank you again for coming. Mom, happy Valentine's Day. Lola, happy Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's.
And to your
Happy Valentine's
friends.
sa lahat ng mga friends natin. namin na nandito.
Sa aming supporters, we love you guys!
Yes, Kat G, Kim Cho Global, Tropang Timoy, Team Kim C,
Angat
Shanghai.
niyo yung banners niyo, Sunshine Lovers, Kat G, Tropang Kim Uy, KX Angels,
Thank
Sean
you.
Merly. Ayan, maraming salamat po. We
Parisali ka
love you
thinking out
guys.
loud.
Thinking out loud. Alright.
Yun na yung pangalan
Happy
mo.
Valentine's Day ulit. And thank you once again, CLM and
Happy
Kim.
Valentine's Day, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank
Enjoy.
you so much. Thank you,
Enjoy
bro.
Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you, Kimmy. At yung, once again, to the little boy, yung, paalala po ulit, to the parents or the guardians, yung bata pong little boy, na 2 years old, ayaw po sabihin ang kanyang pangalan. He is still there. The little boy is still there. So, kung gusto niyo po i-claim yung little boy na yon, okay? Nawawalang batang lalaki po, okay? But there you have it.